Are you familiar with the Google rule? Dr. Paul Borosky here, owner of Quality Business Plan. And the Google rule is really simple. If your business is not on Google, you do not exist. It's simple as that. Google is the #1 website visited throughout the world, and most people go to it to find businesses, to find information about businesses, or to solve problems. Your business needs to be on Google, and there's 2 easy ways to get there. First, make sure you have a website. A lot of people think websites are antiquated, outdated, and they really don't put a lot of efforts into it. Well, guess what? Google loves websites, and if you have your own website and it's optimized, search engine optimized, then you're going to rank well. If you're ranking well, your customers are going to find you easy, and you do exist because, again, you are on Google. And then finally, social media. Social media doesn't just post on their platforms. If you do a YouTube video or a TikTok video or some other video on Facebook, well, guess what? Those videos are also going to be ranked on Google. And again, Google rule, make sure you're on Google, follow these 2 steps. And if you need help with the business plan, business consulting, or financial projections, feel free to reach out. Thank you.